words to show examples or sample. For instance, such as including, like, namely, to illustrate, for example, similarly, as an illustration, specifically. Words for additional ideas or extra suggestions. Furthermore, moreover, additionally, likewise, also, therefore, in addition, thus, hence, besides. Words that show contrast or comparison. In spite of, but, on the contrary, still, on the other hand, various, however, despite, nevertheless, nonetheless. Words that show cause or reason. Because, since, as a result, accordingly, hence, for this reason, due to, owing to, thus, consequently. Calendar vocabulary. 7 days, week, 14 days, fortnight, 30 to 31 days, month, 365 days, year, 366 days, leap year, 10 years, a decade, 25 years, silver jubilee, 50 years, golden jubilee, 60 years, diamond jubilee, 75 years, platinum jubilee, 100 years, century. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday, holiday, a special day of celebration, anniversary, the yearly recurrence of a date marking a significant event. Question words with meanings. Who, people, what, things or actions, when, time, where, place or location, why, reason or cause. How, method or way, which, choice, how many, quantity of countable items, how much, quantity of something that is uncountable, could or would, polite request. Shall, mandatory, should, optional, may, polite request, must, voluntary obligation, can, ability or request. Might, possibility, ought to, obligation, will, future tense. Learn to express time. 4 o'clock, 5 past 4, 10 past 4, quarter past 4, 20 past 4, 25 past 4, half past 4, 25 to 5, 20 to 5, quarter to 5, 10 to 5, 5 to 5, 5 o'clock. Age-related words. 0 to 1 month old, newborn, 1 month to 12 months, infant, 1 to 3 years old, toddler, 3 to 12 years old, child or kid, 12 to 18 years old, teenagers, 18 to 40 years old, young adult or adult, 40 to 65 years old, middle-aged adult, 65 years old, senior citizen or elderly. Family vocabulary or family-related words. Sister or brother of one's parent is known as aunt or uncle. They are also called siblings. Daughter or son of one's siblings is known as niece or nephew. They are also called nibblings. Mother and father, parents, brother and sister, siblings, grandfather and grandmother, grandparents, grandsons and granddaughter, grandchildren, child of one's aunt or uncle, cousin, husband or wife, spouse, relatives by marriage, in laws, for example, mother in law, father in law, brother in law, son and daughter, children. Abbreviations: ASAP, as soon as possible; RSVP, please respond, commonly used in invitations; DIY, do it yourself; FYI, for your information; FAQ, frequently asked questions; ETA, estimated time of arrival; BTW, by the way; TGIF, thank God it's Friday; NVM, never mind; BRB, be right back; IDK, I don't know; AKA, also known as NA, not applicable; RN, right now. Use of do and make in daily life. Do the dishes after dinner. Do your homework before watching TV. Do exercise regularly to stay healthy. Do your best on the exam tomorrow. Do the laundry. Do the shopping for groceries this afternoon. Do your hair before going out. Do the cleaning before guests arrive. Make breakfast in the morning. Make a cup of tea before starting work. Make a sandwich for lunch. Make a plan for the weekend. Make a salad for dinner. Make a list before going to the store. Make a budget for your expenses. Make a birthday card for your friend. Learning basic English words is super important for talking with others. Once you know these words, you can talk better and understand more. So keep practicing and enjoy learning English.